4 days to do the piece of a lifetime.
Minus 24!
Phew! It's not gonna work. I guess I gotta cut this head off. Goes all the way through. Didn't even see it. 3 heads, maybe 3rd time's the charm. Can I patch it up? I don't know. And here comes the putter. Oh.
Went up, downtown. Went up, downtown. Went up, downtown. I'm gonna save my soul.
It's the 18th right now. I have 4 days to do the piece of a lifetime.
I'll take it. Fantastic. Same wrong.
Went up, downtown. Went up, downtown. I was walking out one evening late. Moon was rising high. Headed for the riverside, around us fuss and fight.
I'm gonna have to cut the head off of this thing. I don't know what to do. It's not gonna work. Reason why? Spine is here, spine is there. I guess I gotta cut this head off. Let's go. crazy once you cut the head off to see all you have to do now is the body, and just how freeing it is to have your brain just go, oh, I don't need this anymore. So right now I'm just gonna hit this body hard, get the block on, glue it for the night, come tomorrow, finish detail, finish detail, finish detail. Get this thing done for Christmas, baby. I like it, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Goes all the way through. Didn't even see it. Covered in sawdust. 3 heads, maybe 3rd time's the charm. Can I patch it up? I don't know. Oh. And here comes the putter. Oh, that's it for the day. So cold. Minus 21. Gotta put the camera here to heat up with everything else. Thing. Burr, burr. These boots are the shit, but they do warm me up. It's so cold that it's minus 24 with wind chill. Nothing is working. I'm just gonna leave it on whatever it's called, time lapse. Sorry about the log there. That's my makeshift dry room. But anytime I take it out, it doesn't work. So sorry about this video. Let's just get it done and then I'll show you the beauty shots. It's so cold. My fingers are insane. It's nuts. My name's Ryan Cook. Thank you for watching. Minus 24 out with the wind chill. We got this puppy done. It's on to the next. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Yahoo! So cold. Oh my gosh.